Hi, this is tour guiding topic, protocol, etiquette, and social graces. Protocol is an important part of diplomatic practice linked with history, royalty, religion, culture, and language, and international politics. Protocol is the etiquette of diplomacy and affairs of a state. It may also refer to an international agreement that supplements or amends a treaty. A protocol is a rule which describes how an activity should be performed, especially in the field of diplomacy. In international politics, protocol is the etiquette of diplomacy and affairs of a state. It may also refer to an international agreement that supplements or amends a treaty. Protocol is a word derived from the Greek protokol. Protos, first, and kola means glue. In the Middle Ages, meant the rules of documents and archives. Diplomatic protocol. This is a set of general accepted international relations rules governing the implementation of various diplomatic acts, shapes communication between diplomats and leading statesmen of different countries. Protocol means applicable in the development of numerous details as emergency ceremonies and ceremonies connected with the work of mission. Protocol is therefore about building relationships and facilitating positive outcomes for the parties involved. Courtesy, respect, and professionalism are the most important components of diplomatic protocol, by Thomas Orlowski. Protocol is commonly described as a set of international courtesy rules. These well-established and time-honored rules have made it easier for the nation and people to live and work together, according to Dr. P.M. Forney, International Association of Protocol Officers. Diplomatic protocol. Personal diplomacy includes, number 1, attitude, manners, self-presentation, dressing code, speaking culture, social etiquette, faux pas or embarrassing social mistake or blunder confused way. Corporate diplomacy, number 1, communication, verbal, non-verbal, or written. Number 2, cross-cultural etiquette. Number 3, ethical issues. Number 4, team building. Ceremonials and social events. Number 1, event logistics. For example, it's for meeting, conference, meal reception, or singing ceremony. Number 2, seating plans and order of precedence. Number 3, form of addresses and titles. Number 4, VIP treatment. Number 5, social graces. Protocols and ceremonies. The protocols are also specify the method, scope, behavior, and etiquette, and establishes rules on official and personal correspondence, unifies everything that provides each place and respect that match its official position, and determines different political and administrative authorities and by society. Protocol and etiquette. Protocols are also in place at such things as formal coloring or training workshops where certain codes of conduct are expected and should be adhered to by everyone. Etiquette is like a set of protocols or rules for social situations. Protocols and etiquette, though related to good manners, are really what many people associate with our lifestyle, and many seen people place great importance on both. Protocol is defined as a code of correct conduct or official behavior. It is the system of rules and acceptable behavior used at the official ceremonies and occasions. Etiquette is defined as conventional requirements as to social behavior, the set of rules or custom which control accepted behavior in particular social group or social situations. Social skills for tour guiding. Example of personal traits. Number 1, enthusiasm. Number 2, outgoing and affable nature. Number 3, self-confidence. Number 4, proactive. Number 5, sensitivity. Number 6, flexibility. Number 7, authenticity. Number 8, pleasant professional appearance. Number 8, sense of humor. Number 9, knowledge. Number 10, good communication skills. Number 11, organization. Number 12, decisiveness. Number 13, good health. Number 14, personal integrity. And last one is the charisma. 7 sins of service. Number 1 is treating customer with apathy. Travelers will forgive many shortcomings in a guide, but apathy is not one of them. Next is brushing customer off. The guide giving an impression that he or she would rather be elsewhere alienates quickly. Next is being cold to customers. The inability or lack of desire to share oneself with people will express coldness towards customer. Next is treating customer with condescension. I'll make this so simple they'll be sure to understand. I sense you won't understand unless I make this very elementary. Treating customers with condescension. Next is working like a robot. For example, I can do this with my closed eyes. Next is getting hung up on the rule book. Sorry, our policy is something like that. Next is giving customer the runaround. For example, your concierge can recommend the best hotels around your hotel. And let's go to establishing rapport. Number 1 is being prepared. Second, adopt an attitude of friendliness and positive expectancy and take responsibility for creating and maintaining harmony. Next is let visitor know that their enjoyment is our primary concern. Respect others and be careful, concern listeners. Give clear instructions. For example, we will departing at 11 sharp. By my watch, it's now 10:40. So make it a clear instruction. Next, don't give ultimatums or will not be enforced. Next is follow through on promises. Be conservative on promises. Next is avoid playing favorites. Next is exemplify the desired behavior. That's all. Thank you.